What is the difference between human and animal? The difference between human and animal is human can think, animal can't think. So, these thinkings are classified into so many ways. One is critical thinking, creative thinking, analytical thinking, convergent thinking, divergent thinking. So these are the types of thinkings. Today we learn about lateral thinking. Lateral thinking is very important in our daily life. In a particular difficult situations, we don't expect what is the solution, but sometimes we believe blindly it is a correct solution. But that is also may lead to failure. So today in these lateral thinkings, what examples, application, real life examples we want to discuss, and difficult meanings. Robert De Bono written this. So this lateral thinking is mainly think differently. When well, in one village, one money lender is there, and he is always giving money to poor people. Things more on one family. So the family has one farmer and he has one daughter. So the money lender given the money by money lender, he has a pre-planned. So when he want to give means he expects some farmer. Why? Because the farmer has a daughter. Maybe she is very beautiful, but if he asked him to marry, he won't give her daughter to marry. In that situation, money lender played a role. That is immoral. But that situations leads to create a problem. The problem is the game has one bag. Inside the bag, two pebbles. One is black, one is white. So if she chooses one white pebble means won't marry, and the entire debt will written off by the money lender. If she chooses a black pebble, then create a problem. The problem is she definitely want to marry money lender. But she didn't like to marry money lender. Why? Because he is a business minded. Business minded means he won't see her family happily. Always his mind is money, money, money. So in this situation, she thinks a lot, but in correct time, she used lateral thinking. That is, the farmer thrown two pebbles in the farmer's field and pick out the two pebbles and kept inside the bag. Farmer's daughter seen that situation, and the two pebbles are black color only. Immediately, she has a chance to prove he is a cheater. Money lender is a cheater. But she not told like that. So in that situation, there are three such cases. One is to escape from the debt. She definitely want to marry money lender and return of the debt, entire debt for the father. One more is she want to choose white pebble. Another option is she want to prove the moneylenders cheating. So immediately she thrown off the two pebbles from the bag and she asked the moneylender what pebble inside. So immediately moneylender got a doubt. Actually, he kept inside two pebbles as a black. So out of one black came, bring out. Means inside there is a black. If it is not white color means he definitely will fail, and he has a to apply the mistake. But he didn't. Just he has not dare to prove his dishonesty. So that is the main lesson. This is the way of think differently. This is the lateral thinking. Then we have to see some difficult situations. The main important points. Many years ago, in a small Indian village, a farmer had a misfortune of owing a large sum of money to a village moneylender. Here, misfortune means bad luck. Bad luck means in difficult situations, owing a large sum of money to a village moneylender. To lack of support, owing means lack of support. Yes, actually, farmer has no support to lead his family. So at that situation, he is committed to take money from the moneylender. The moneylender, who was old and ugly, fancied the farmer's beautiful daughter. So here the fancied. Fancied means desire. Fancied the farmer's beautiful daughter. He expect she want to marry me. If I truly go straight forward to marry me, but he didn't do that step, but he chose a wrong step, and the moneylender played a different and cruel role. So he proposed a bargain. He said he would forgo the farmer's debt if he could marry the farmer's daughter.